Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn how to ask questions in English. Asking questions is one of the most important skills when learning a language. It helps you get information, start conversations, and clarify things when you're not sure. Today, we'll go over some easy ways to ask questions in English. Let's get started. In English, most questions follow a simple structure: question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Here's an example. Where do you live? What time does the movie start? The question word, where, what, when, helps you get specific information, and the rest of the sentence follows a simple pattern. Sometimes you just need a yes or no answer. These are the easiest types of questions to ask. Do you like coffee? Is this your first time here? Are you a student? These questions start with a verb, do, is, are, and are perfect for quick, simple answers. If you want more detailed information, use WH questions. These questions start with words like what, where, when, who, and why. What is your name? Where are you from? When does the class start? Who is your teacher? These questions are great for learning more about someone or getting important details. If you don't understand something and need more information, here's how to ask for clarification. Can you repeat that, please? What do you mean? Could you explain that again? These phrases help you ask for more details or have something explained again if you didn't catch it the first time. When you want to sound extra polite, especially in formal situations, you can use these phrases. Could you tell me where the bathroom is? Would you mind helping me with this? Can I ask you a question? These polite forms are useful when speaking to someone you don't know well or in a professional setting. A tag question is when you add a little question at the end of a sentence to confirm something. Here's how they work. It's a nice day, isn't it? You're coming to the party, aren't you? These questions are great for casual conversations and getting confirmation. With these tips, you'll be able to ask questions confidently in English. Whether you're asking for information, clarifying something, or starting a conversation, these phrases will help you communicate better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy learning!